This is Scott the Fix-It Guy. Our goal with our videos is to empower you to be able to do the repairs on your own and save a whole lot of. Today we have an EverPure water filtration system. We're going to be changing the filter. I'm going to move this lever all the way to the left side to shut off the water flow. Just going to let all the pressure out. Both sides. And now all the pressure's off. Making sure that lever's all the way to the left. There we go. We're going to go ahead and put on the H104 filter cartridge. Going to take the plastic wrap off, take this black cap off the front. Comes with some instructions. It also comes with a cool little device that lets you know when 11 months is up, and that's when you want to replace the filter. Here's where you can get the filter from Amazon. This one's selling for $49.99. It's EverPure H104 water filter. They're actually really easy to install. So now to get the old one off, I'm going to turn left and then pull down. And remember, I've turned off that water flow by turning the lever to the left. So that cartridge comes right out. Got the new cartridge already, and I'm just going to push it up in by about a 1/4 inch, and I'll turn to the right as far as I can to the right to where it locks. And that's about it. All I got to do now is turn that lever to my right, and that's going to open up the water flow. And it's all set. I do have to run the water for about 3 minutes to get all of the charcoal particles to flow out. When you first open it up, it's kind of gross. It looks like black water coming out. But after 3 minutes, it's really nice. So here's the black water. That's just carbon from the filter. So just keep running that. And you could run the cold and the hot at the same time and just go for 3 minutes. And once you've done that, that water will be super clean. And then you can use it for drinking or cooking right away. Yeah, the new device comes with it. It's pretty interesting. You just squeeze it to where you have two chemicals that react, and then it starts to, here's that little thing, you just pinch it, squeeze it, and you'll kind of feel something pop. Then you peel off the back of it, and you go ahead and put this on the cartridge, and it'll give you a change in color as the 11 months go by. And when I believe it turns all red, and also get that great feeling of having fixed it by yourself.
Hopefully that helps you to change your filter. Pretty easy to do. You have some nice drinking water. So thanks so much for watching, and please subscribe when you get a chance.